Hi everyone, my name is Tiffany. I'm going to be sharing a project with you for Manor House Creations. I will have a link below to the website. I'm going to be creating a layout today using the super fun, gorgeous scrap cake papers, the Summer City collection. And so I did some prepping before I started the video. Started doing the video just for the sake of time. I cut the this one is 12 by 12, this one is 8 by 8.5, and I just distressed the edges, as you could see. Okay, and then we're going to be kind of doing a manly-ish layout. It does have a lot of flowers in it, but I'm gonna try to keep it a little manly. It's going to be a layout using this picture of my husband and my daughter, and I'm gonna be using all these gorgeous flowers here, which I will share with you how I prepped these before. And also I cut out a bunch of just strips of paper and cut them in little banners. So it's going to be pretty simple and fun. Lots of texture. I'm going to be using some burlap. And then I painted on these flowers, so I'm going to show you how I did that. Really easy. Just take a paintbrush. This one already has a little paint on it, so I'm not going to actually put any more paint, but what I do is I put a little bit of paint and then I spritz a little bit of water with a little spray bottle, and then I just kind of just brush it on, and then it kind of tones down the flowers, and I don't know, I just really like the look, so I'm just gonna do that. Okay, and we're also going to take some of the burlap as well and do the same thing. So these little pieces here. I love texture, so I'm going to be using a lot of texture in my projects. And layers. I love layers as well. Okay, see, it's not very, you know, there's no real science to it. Just wanted to just give it a little bit of whitewashed look. So we're going to set these aside. Okay, so we're going to take our layout, and I want it this way to where these circles are this side. Okay, so I've already put the adhesive on the back. This is just some kind of strip adhesive. Trying to center it as good as I can. And then these little strips I'm actually going to take and kind of tuck behind here. Okay, so I'm going to take a hot glue gun. And just lift it up and just kind of tuck it behind there. I'm going to pull some of these off so that it gets that really frayed look. Okay, so that's done. And then now we're going to start layering. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna kind of try and remember how I placed everything. So okay. And then before we adhere the picture down, we're going to kind of just layer some of the little banner pieces. Okay, now I'm going to take these and I'm going to adhere my picture down first. Actually, I have this adhesive and I did place some not chipboard, but cardboard on the back to give it a little bit of dimension. And I am going to just kind of put a little bit of the hot glue on the back just to make sure that it's going to stay there. Okay. Okay, now we're going to take these pieces here, which I wouldn't call it fussy cutting, but I just cut around some of the circles in one of the pattern papers. And I'm just going to take the hot glue again and just go in and then just put them in there, just like that. And then I like to kind of curl up the edges. That's why I don't really put so much glue on. This one I put a piece of chipboard, so we're gonna go in. I really like these circles, they're really fun. And okay, and for the title, I am going to take another banner, and I am just going to, I actually cut the little banner kind of from the paper. It has kind of like a banner pattern in it, and then I cut these from the piece that has all the letters on it. So it's going to say Daddy's Girl. Okay, I'm going to layer it just like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just stick a little bit of the glue on the edge of it. And because I kind of want it to be a little bit wavy. So we're going to hold that until that dries. Okay. Then we're going to go in kind of a little bit, I want to say almost the middle, and then we're going to push it up just a little bit, not too much, and then put your finger where the glue is to hold it down until it dries. And we're going to do the same here. So we're going to put the glue on the edge, then we're going to push it up and hold it down. Okay, so I'm going to start adhering the flowers down, just adding the glue to the middle of the flower, because then you'll be able to kind of tuck the rest in. And I just want this one peeking out just a little bit, just to give it a little bit of that orange color. Put that there. Just layering the flowers. So I'm just gonna kind of okay, and then this one I'm just going to layer behind, just to give it a little bit of that orange color like I did on the other one. I'm gonna stick just right there. Okay, and then this here I cut out from my die cut machine. I'm just gonna place it right there. And scrunch up these flowers. Okay, so that completes the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye!